What is up, Kids Army? It is your girl, LATRICE, and I'm back at you again with another video. And if you looked at the title, you know that I am moving into my new apartment here in Alabama, okay? Low-key, Georgia, right across the Chattanooga, Chattahoochee, I think it's Chattahoochee River. But I'm moving into my new apartment, and of course, I gotta give you guys an empty apartment tour, so let's go. Apartment door. Look at my baby. Make sure y'all knock, okay? Knock. I don't have time for the game. But yeah, I'm at my apartment door. I'm gonna go in. We're gonna go in. Okay? I'm gonna explain. So, my favorite part about this apartment is the refrigerator. It's just, you know, like how much food I can get in this refrigerator. Like, come on. This, baby. Yeah. I love it, okay? Love it, love, love. It has a bunch of cabinet space. Bunch of cabinet space. So I'm gonna need a stool, obviously. But oh yeah, this microwave, like, look at this. Like, this is like way too fancy. Look, the microwave has ridges in the, that. Oh yeah, and this got daggone faucet. Like, to pull it out, And then there's a setting where I can change the water. Look at this. Crazy. Yeah, then the second, my second favorite thing is the patio. I didn't show you guys this. Y'all, look at this. Can I get sun kiss? Hold on, wait. Let me just step out into the light, Carolyn. Step into the light, Carolyn. Sun kiss. Hello. Okay, and I get an awesome view. Awesome view. Pretty much have the view of the gate, which is over there. And then the housing office is right there. All the other kind of amenities. And look. Oh, the pool. It's the pool. It's the pool. Yeah. Crazy. Super, super hype about living here. Like, it seems like a very nice neighborhood. Very nice establishment. So, of course, I have to ask you guys, if you want a tour of the amenities of the property, make sure you comment below, as well as if you want me to take you through how I decorate the apartment and like my whole moving process. So make sure you guys let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and your girl's here. She's in Georgia, Alabama area. I'm ready. I'm ready. Love you guys. See you guys on my next upload. It is your girl, LATRICE, and remember to always protect your